Not right now, Rochelle.
Hello.
Perfect picture.
Hi.
It looks like a dog.
Hi, Piggy.
Looks like. Wow, I just saw
Oh,
a
he's
resemblance
trying to go to
between this pig
Rachel.
and Dash. Look at it.
I know.
Same.
It's little Dash. Oh,
He's
give
like,
him popcorn. Oh, give him more. Give him more.
They're just hungry.
Well, they're pigs. Of course they're hungry.
Exactly.
You little piggy. Hello, mister. Oh, eat the popcorn.
Didn't know where it was.
Oh, give the other one one. Oh, 3 little piggies.
I don't think you're supposed to feed them popcorn.
Probably not, but be quiet. We're rebels. I'm just trying to do what's right for the animals. Hello. Hi. You're the cutest. I'm going to call you Dash.
Let's call him Dash.
Come, pig.
Come pig.
Oh,
Come
my
pig.
goodness.
That's what Dad says. Come, pig. Come, pig.
That's what
Come,
it says to
pig.
Dash. Now I can see the resemblance.
Oh,
Oh, look at the tiger's moving. Go get the